One of the most versatile wires is a beta titanium wire in the form of a P or a Snoopy or an L loop. These loops can be adjusted intraorally very, very easily. If, for example, we wanted to make a step down in torque, intraorally I could place a Weingart at this angle, or I could place it at this angle and squeeze. That would allow this anterior portion of the wire to step down and torque. So if I were to get a very small Weingart, a lingual Weingart as a matter of fact, and put it at that corner, that right angle bend, and squeeze, I believe you can see that this leg has stepped down and we've created sort of a twist in this wire. If I then were to go to the opposite corner and do the other L loop, I could squeeze, and I think you can see that we've made a step down. And there is a torque in that anterior wire also. You can see after the adjustment in which we just squeezed that corner, this anterior leg has stepped down, and when we go to the opposite side you can see that the anterior leg is also stepped down, and it is also put in lingual root torque in that area. So if you needed to add a step down to get anterior guidance, if you needed to add more torque, you could do that. And in addition, if you only wanted to do a step down but didn't want to torque, all I need to do is to come to this corner and squeeze, and it will remove the torque. And I also obviously have to go to the opposite corner, squeeze, and there is a step down, but there is no more torque. It's an incredibly versatile wire.